Bola. Bola, man. Are you set? Good.
Good to see.
Bola. Hey, no bola. Oh, under 20?
Yes.
No age. Bola. Where are you from? Tell me where you guys from. Where you from? Playing for? No. Huh? Suba. Huh? No. What do you mean? Many colleges. Yeah. You play rugby too? Nando? Playing for? Ba. Nanti. Benaka. We've just had our cabinet meeting, and we usually have it on Tuesday morning, but last night I was in Voreqe, so we were not able to have it this morning. Coming back from Voreqe today. We've just completed our cabinet meeting. We thought we'd invite you to, of course, congratulate you on the win in being. When is the next World Cup?
Next year.
Next year. New Zealand. New Zealand.
May, June
May, June
next
next year in New Zealand. Just to congratulate you for your success. And I have a little presentation there from his pocket to present to you, to thank you for the win and having Fiji recognized in soccer, not only in the region but of course international. $500 each to help you prepare for your World Cup competition.
Thank you very much. Naka. Thank you very much, Prime Minister. I think so. This is the first time under the Prime Minister's leadership and the government that Fiji football has received funds. Even the through Sports Commission, we received it. And now for the preparation, we have asked for the Sports Commission, and I know with your kind help and you coming back in the government, we'll definitely look after it.
If I get their votes, I will come.
Definitely. And on behalf of Fiji Football Association, thank you very much. This is the trophy that these boys won. And this is for you. Token of appreciation. This is the gold medal that they won, the under 20. That's for you to keep.
Oh.
And this is the 75th anniversary Fiji Football Association.
Thank you very much.
And the parents signed by the players for you to keep.
Oh, thank you.
The qualification.
Oh, thank you very much, right?
Yeah.
This is,
I hope it's compatible with that type. Just grab one of them. Just pick from anywhere.
living in that. What's your name? From originally from Lagos. Oh, okay. Yeah, sure. Thank you. Where are you from?